That you could be financially free, done with corporate America, done working in 4 to 5 years, right? Isn't that incredible? It happened to me, and I'm going to share with it how it can happen for you, so that you don't have to own 40, 50, 60 properties. You can be financially free with just 3 or 4 or 5 really smart buys. So how I buy properties, the BRRRR method. A lot of you guys might have heard about this, but I'm going to go into a little bit of detail about BRRRR because it's important. Not all BRRRR is created the same, right? The buying starts with properties that are in significant disrepair, okay? I mean, this is the part of the business that you have to get comfortable with. Value of this 16-plex being long-term rental. Well, we already know that this property is going to make way more money than a long-term rental. So in reality, if this property is worth way more than $2 million,